During the late evening on Friday or early morning hours on Saturday, an unknown person or persons stole a skull worth approximately $100 from a home in the 200 block of Desperado Drive in Cottonwood Ranch. The skull is part of the landscaping of the residence. According to the officer's report, it is not believed the skull was removed by animals, but rather it had been stolen by someone. At this point, there are no further leads.
It's holding steady right now, but, down the road it's going to have some issues. So the Forestry Service has stepped up and said, you know what, it's a $2 million project, and we'll pay about 95% of that. The county's bid on that's only going to be about $100,000, a little bit more, to get a 2-lane bridge that'll make it a lot safer. It's going to have a guardrail and whatnot. So it'll also follow the flow of the water going through there so we don't have any more degradation to the bridge. Right now it's currently in development, so they're looking at the structure and what it needs to be to complete the project.
Carol Springer started this about 2-3 years ago, and she initially helped put up some Burma Shave signs and some identification for Route 66 out there. And all we really did was emphasize it more and get out there and put in some additional signs because folks out there are really trying to push Route 66. I think it's great. We're trying to do some more maybe later on next year, maybe do some further down the road towards Peach Springs. The issue is we have to do it on county right-of-way, not on ADOT right-of-way.